Hey guys, it's me again, your math teacher, Miss K. I'm going to show you actually all of the Ohio end of course state algebra exam questions that were released from the last time you took this test. Some of you took this test already and did not pass, and that's why we're here. Welcome. And these are all of the test questions that have been released from spring of 2025. So we're going to go through one at a time. And we're going to solve these. I'm going to first show you the calculator hack, and then I'm going to show you how to solve these algebraically. So what you need to know for the test is how to answer these questions using Desmos. That's why I like to show you guys the calculator hack first, because I don't have a lot of time with you because this is a credit recovery course for many of you. So that being said, let's start with question number 2, and it says an equation is given. 7x minus 4 times the quantity of 5x plus 3 equals capital F x squared plus gx plus h. Nobody taught you that. Nobody taught you that it's f x squared plus gx plus h. We've taught you that standard form is actually ax squared plus bx plus c, where c is the constant. So that's the first thing I want to let you know. It's just because it shows you that state test is going to show you things that look slightly different from what you already know. You know more than you think. Just trust yourself. So it's asking us, so that's the first thing you need to know, like what curveball are you being thrown? The second thing that we need to look at is what is it asking specifically? It's asking us the value of h. And in this case, the value of h, oops, let me get my page marker tool going. In this case, where is she? Come back to me, girl. I don't know why it defaults to the red color. No teachers like to use red who are not 80 years old. No offense, I love my 80-year-old colleagues, but let's get real. Let's get teal. Anyway, sorry. So ax squared plus bx plus c, that's standard form. That's what we're used to seeing. And fx squared plus gx plus h is the same thing, right? It's just the same thing, but they're using f, g, and h for the numbers instead of a, b, and c. I don't know why. So in this case, we have 7x minus 4 times the quantity of 5x plus 3. And what's it asking us for? It's asking us for h. And h, in this case, is c, right? We know that c is the constant, and the constant is the term, pretend I can write, is the term, the constant is the term that does not have a multiplier next to it. The constant is the term that does not have a variable next to it. So in this case, we have a parabola that opens up because it's positive and it's a second degree polynomial. And we can actually, what we can do is before we solve this, before we do anything algebraically, this is what I recommend for pretty much every test question, by the way, is to just plug it right there into Desmos, if applicable. Not all of them can you plug into Desmos, but in this case we can. So we're going to plug in 7x minus 4 times the quantity of 5x plus 3, and I've left the Ohio graphing calculator link in the thread. So go ahead and plug that into your graphing calculator. Pause, come back, and check it out. So we know that c, in this case, the constant, that's where this parabola, this function, is going to cross the y-axis. In this case, that happens at negative 12, right? Negative 12. You can even like put your little cursor over it. It's not there. It's not there. It's all the way down here at 0, where y is 0, where x is 0, y is negative 12. So that's going to be your answer at h. And now next I'm going to show you how to solve this algebraically. But first I wanted to show you guys the calculator hack because I don't have as much time with you all as I would like. Anyhow, hopefully that all recorded. But we'll see. Teacher is so smart.